heading over to GEO. What's the full name of this place?
GEO-82, I think.
GEO. We don't know the full name. We're headed in to go check it out. It's something new here. It's like a adult-only lounge. We're not too sure where to go or what to do, so we're gonna figure it out. I have no idea. This is kind of like hidden. Okay, so you have to. This is a weird way to enter.
It's literally a hole in the wall, if you will.
Oh, there we go. It's like Disney's own speakeasy. You can either take the elevator up or the stairs.
Please take a seat here in the lobby. Someone will come right up to you when your table's ready.
Thank you.
Oh, careful.
That's good. I see that. It's like the closest you'll get to these little spears, huh?
We also have the sparkly sidewalks that we used to have outside
Oh,
the station art.
nice. I love that.
This is our carbon plate right here. It's exclusive to GEO-82. You can't find it anywhere else in the world.
Nice.
This is parts of resorts on it.
Perfect. Thank you.
We have salami, hamani with wagon with salad beef, monkey brie cheese, blue cheese and truffle, pecan riddle with honey and sweet cherry. You got baguette and caramel.
Nice.
Thank you.
Really nice. Thank you.
GEO-82. Honestly, I experienced it. We experienced it. We didn't really get too excited because, you know, with anything, there's always a little hype. I think it's okay if you're somebody who is a drinker, which I'm personally not. I can see why that would be something you'd want to do. However, I don't know why you need reservations. There were numerous upon numerous tables that were open. People were sitting in the lounge area waiting to go in. I don't understand the whole bar situation. So, all in all, I'd probably give it a 5 out of 10. What would you say, Jessica?
3.
Oh, she gave it a 3. She played them.
So I had to return a drink.
Oh yeah, she had to return a drink because she didn't care for it. So,
Gross.
you know, and we dressed for the occasion. Everyone was kind of still in park gear, so there is no dress code. You can go in park gear, so don't worry. But we wanted to be fancy tonight. So now we're gonna head over to Il Mulino, have dinner, and see where the night takes us.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I love you, baby. I love you, baby.
So
Tomorrow, yeah. Thank you.
Carmelo, we love you.
Oh, thank you.
Carmelo, how are you this happy?
You're so
We love
sweet.
it.
Always, baby.
It's amazing.
I come to work to have a good time.
That's
I
right.
bet. I've never in my
I
life.
love to have a good time.
That's
we
I
worked
love
here.
you too, girl.
That was eventful. Oh my gosh, that guy had so much energy. It was hysterical. And then the people in the restaurant were laughing. And Jessica and I could not literally keep ourselves contained. So you didn't get to see it. But after he sang happy birthday to me, the manager comes over and he goes, oh, how's everything going? I don't know what the server Carmelo said to that manager, but he comes over and he's like, how's everything going? We're like, oh, it's great. Laughing. He goes, yeah. He goes, I've only been here a month, but could you believe it? Like, he was feeding a woman one time and I'm dying laughing. I go, oh, please don't let that happen. And Jessica goes, make him do it. And he goes, okay. He comes back with like other restaurant patrons and waiters and waitresses. And this guy tried to feed me at the table. You'd have, you just, you know what? If I can't cut it in because it's on Instagram stories. But anyhow, it was hysterical. I had tears, literal tears rolling down my face. Carmelo, you are our sunshine. Anyhow, it's done. We're going to go to bed. That was a great way to end a very, very, very full day. So tomorrow is the actual birthday. So next week you'll see, well, I can't take you to the spa, but you'll at least get to see like me going to the spa and checking in. And then we have some other plans. So you'll have to like, subscribe, and do all the things.